Okay guys, so here it is, BC World customized. And yeah, as you can see, this box is very well packed. Maria Andersen, interesting. Designed and made in the European Union. Awesome. Let's unbox it now. I guess we should open it like this. This box looks like a box for jewelry. And those are protective stuff, and yeah, it's very good that we have it here. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's open it. Welcome to the BC World family. Well, thank you. I'm very happy. And I see they partnered with Crypto.com, which is very cool. I love Crypto.com. And now guys, are you ready to see the wallet itself? I'm sure you have never seen anything like this. Just look at this, guys. Thank you, BC World, for this customized wallet. I'm really excited. Wow, that's cool. To be honest, I think it's the best present for crypto investor. Also, it's kind of cold wallet, but it's cold because it's made of steel. And now, guys, let's set it up. Look at this screen. This screen is huge. Well, I absolutely love the quality. And yeah, what's here? Oh my god, guys, this is me. Can you imagine? Oh, this is so cool. Thank you, Maria Andersen. Personal edition. This is so cool. And now I definitely can tell you guys that nobody in the world has the same hardware wallet.